a cooler full of fish, including tilapia and mudfish. So the farm visit was just amazing. It was such a great experience. In this cooler, we got a whole bunch of fish. We were able to secure fish. Majority of it is freshwater, farm-raised tilapia, and of course, obviously, we were able to secure the mudfish as well. Never even heard of a mudfish before here, but we're gonna go ahead and cook it up and try and see what it tastes like. Hey, hello again.
Here I am again.
Yes. Oh.
Crab, sir. Dugutin ako, babae
Oh,
natin.
today is crab. And crab.
Babae.
Yes, they are alive.
Alive and kicking.
Oh, oh.
Lalaki sana ilan.
Babae, dugutin ada kasi naman.
Babae.
Kasi babae nung kanina.
Ang di babae kita plain.
Taan ma'am, kakastoy di babae.
Isip ko na, babae.
Iso, dugutin mo.
This is where is this? River? River crab?
River.
Oh. River crab. I've never eaten river crab. I've never tried river crab before.
Basta kumaamin na.
Hindi po meat ma'am ne. Ilang tapagan na. Ilang pa isa basta. 2 kilo na din. Yung kurang basit mo. Sa batit mo, kurang na.
This is river crab. So before we can do anything like marinate the fish or cooking the fish, as you can see, the first thing you need to do is clean the fish. So you can see she just made an incision, or she sliced the belly open, and she's gonna reach inside, and what she's doing is she's pulling out all the gunk, the guts, the things that you don't want in a fish. You know, it's really bitter if you don't remove them. There is another way of doing it as well too, so you can reach into the gills, I suppose, and you can actually stick your finger in there and just pull everything out, so you don't even have to slice the belly open. But right after we clean this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and marinate this. We're gonna use some soy sauce, some calamansi, which is like a lime or lemon or so. In the Philippines they call it calamansi. And then of course, I'm not sure if there's any vinegar inside, but one way or the other, I'm pretty certain that they're gonna have some kind of acidity ingredient in there. So while Chef Mimi is preparing the fresh tilapias, here we have Chef Aris cleaning the crab, getting it ready for marination. Now, unlike the fish that's going to be grilled on charcoal, he has decided to cook the crab in a different way. So he's adding ingredients such as the big prawns that you saw. You got garlic, you got black pepper, salt, patis, which is fish sauce, and he's gonna add chili to that, so it gives it a hint of heat. And so I'm really excited to try this one. Here you can see he is cleaning the crab, running it underneath some fresh water, preparing it. So you can see how fresh the crabs are. After he cleaned it, he's actually dispatching it by slicing it completely in half. That would sever everything. So that's a really humane way of dispatching the animal. So here are some large prawns with the head still left on. He's gonna mix this with the crab to have this fusion of seafood flavor. So here he's handling the mudfish. What he's doing is he's putting salt, like he's rubbing it down with salt because the mudfish apparently is so slippery and slimy, so you gotta put a ton of salt on here to get rid of all that slime, as you can see right here. Wow, so you can see this is the mudfish right here. You can see that? The skin or the scale is so tough and hard. You can clearly see the knife is having a hard time penetrating its outer layer, or I don't know if it's an armor or whatever it is. I don't know. It's pretty cool. This is not your ordinary grill, yeah. In America, it's you know, the metal grill. This is like brick clay.
Yeah, clay pot.
Yeah, it's like a clay pot, and then they use this. So this unless you drop it, should last you forever, lifetime. And just like that, the grill is ready. In only a couple of minutes, up and running. Amazing. See? Marinated. It looks like some kind of soy sauce. Calamansi. Oh, okay. Very nice. Okay. That's it. So again, they left the scales on. I guess they're not gonna eat the skin or the scale part. But the reason why you don't see it slice is because he stuck his finger through the gill area, you know, that part of the fish. I don't know, what do you call that thing? Is that gill? Anyways, he stuck his finger inside, he yanked the gills out and the guts. So that's why you don't see a slit. Interesting, yeah.
pagkamaten nakatadanga ka nagpukpuk.
Ano, di ba importante siguro?
Ipakita kami na. Wait.
Okay. Took the fish off, yeah. So the fish is just finished. This is just the flesh, no skin, no bones. And then this is the crab. We're gonna try it now. I have KFC chicken from yesterday,
Just to balance everything out.
and then I got some roast pork. Oh, we're gonna put this is little vinegar, calamansi, and chili. See it? Just gonna put a little on top.
Ano ka kay Juan di Pilipino food sana tayo luto mo yan.
Ano naman, selective. Usually, pansit, adobo, mamanulang.
Bye.
Yeah.
Here we go. First taste of tilapia in the Philippines.
Ay, wait kasi.
Oh, what is that?
Pero mga nag-basketball kasi.
It's good. Still nice and warm. Flesh is still soft. This is the first time I've ever tried a fish that was marinated and everything with the scale still on. But after the grilling and stuff inside, I guess the steam cooks the meat really well, so it's got that nice flavor to it. It's not too soft, the flesh, but it's not too firm as well. I think it's just right. This is not bad for tilapia.
Ay, ada ipon
This is the river or the stream, mountain stream crab.
preparation na.
I never tried this one before either.
Ah, well, pinagdalos.
Yeah, maya. Minus na deposit ng water na pinagdalos. Yeah. Right? It makes sense, right? It makes sense.
Wala,
That
wala,
makes
wala.
sense. Deposit na udalo ng pinag-mix na.
Well, you know what
Oh.
to do. Di kita halo-halo.
Wala.
Yeah.
Tender.
No ice.
Ice.
Kung
Sweet.
The ice, no
Very
ice.
sweet.
It's the ice.
The ice.
Di kita kape-kape.
Yeah.
The meat
Kape.
sweet.
Yeah. The ice.
But the coffee,
It's
eating
boiled.
coffee,
Good.
Hot coffee.
So
Yeah.
both the fish
Yan,
and
take
the
ice
Ay,
coffee.
hana.
was really good. I like it. I like
As
it.
much
First
as
time trying it too.
halo.